I'm back in the garden for another harvest. This time it's going to be apples, which are right at the back in there. They have fully ripened on the tree, so that's great, so they're ready and fresh to eat. So I'm going to get out of my sandals and put some boots on and harvest apples. Okay, so this is just one basket. We're going to get another basket and carry on harvesting. So it's heavier than the pears, I must say, and I'm going to give it a good wash. They're all fully ripe, and alhamdulillah we had a good apple harvest this year, and inshallah there'll be many more to come. Thank you for watching. Bye.